I have a confession to make. I've never seen 1 second of SpongeBob SquarePants. Swear to God. I've also never eaten a Pop-Tart. That's a story for another video. We don't have time for that right now. Let's just get back to the SpongeBob thing. There's a thing called a Krabby Patty burger or something. I don't know. Never heard of it. No idea what the deal is, but Wendy's has it now. I don't know. Beats the hell out of me. I won't got one. I gotta, what the hell is this thing? What the hell is a Krabby Patty? I don't know. So apparently it comes with one of these. My DoorDash driver sucked it dry. It's pretty funny. You also get fries, the burger, and of course, a bunch of stupid stickers that, come on. Anyways, we're here for the burger, right? All right, let's get into this thing and let's see what we have. That looks like a Wendy's burger that took half an hour to get here. Doesn't it? Yeah, it does. Okay, so we are going to get rid of this. Shoot a thumbnail super fast. Put this here. I don't know why I have the paper plate on there. Because they're a mess and they're falling everywhere. But I'm going to shoot a thumbnail real fast. Well, this is... Oh, God, that does not look pretty. Woo! Hold on. Okay, so let's dig into this thing, dissect it, figure out what it is, and see if we can recreate it, or fix it. It's Wendy's. Anything but the Baconator there for me, personally, except the chicken sandwiches. I do chicken sandwiches pretty well, but let's see what the burger thing here is, because this is a couple of pickles, and their magic sauce, secret sauce here. The Krabby Sauce. Don't know what the Krabby Sauce is. We will find out together and see if we can reproduce it. I'm seeing lots of flecks of pepper in it. I can tell you that much. There's a lot of pepper in there. We got a bunch of onion. That's a bunch of onion. We have one big old tomato covered in sauce. This is, wow, I am mildly disgusted at this piece of what appeared to have once been romaine lettuce. That was... That was, yeah. I have to eat that, don't I? Oh, that's, okay. Not thrilling me. Not thrilled. We have cheese on top, cheese on the bottom, but that's basically just their Dave Single quarter-pound square patty, fresh, never frozen, cooked on a really cold flat top so that it loses all moisture and hope of life. As Wendy's always does. But that's basically it. There's no sauce underneath it. It's all on the top. Let's dig into the sauce a little bit and see what we can come up with. Just a quick taste. Now this has, ooh, it's peppery. And it's got a, that is not Thousand Island. That is not Thousand Island at all. Hang on. Let me get that out of there. Get under the pickles. The problem is this is picking up flavors from pickles and onions and other things. Sweet, mustard, ketchup, pepper, sugar. Definitely mustard in there. I know. If you've seen my videos of me eating mustard, trust me, this mouth knows mustard. There's a little bit of mustard in that. There's something else. There's a Worcestershire? No? Oh, the pepper's really thrown off. That is very peppery. That's a very peppery sauce. Let me try one last little bit here. See. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna have to do some research on that, but there is something bold in there. Something almost beefy? Okay, interesting. But yeah, it's really peppery. This is my brain working. I may be editing half of this down. Let me see if I can reproduce that super fast before we dig into this thing. Hold on. Okay, I have a few things here. I'm gonna try and reproduce that sauce before I eat this burger because I won't have any sauce left. And it is one of two things. Let me taste this shake first. That is a pineapple frosty. There you go. It's a little melted, so you can actually suck it through a straw. I don't think it's yellow mustard. Hold on. I'm gonna go with the spicy brown mustard. I think it's got more of a kick to it. So what I'm gonna do is A/B test, because I have two different things I think it might be. I'm trying to get about, okay. So that's about 2 tablespoons of mayo in here so far. I'm gonna put maybe, I'll start with half a teaspoon. You can always add more, it's hard to take it out. I know they have mustard in there, 100%. I can taste that on my tongue. And there's ketchup because the color of it. So maybe equal parts mustard and ketchup. I know there's a ton of black pepper in here. Massive amounts of black pepper. That is a lot of black pepper. I would say that is 1/4 to half a teaspoon almost of black pepper in this. 1/4 maybe. Okay, let's mix this up. Right here. We are going to need sugar as well. I'm going to just measure out 1/4 teaspoon. There. And it is very sweet. Sweeter than just the ketchup would lend it to be. So far, does this look like? Yeah, pretty much. That looks like the right color just about. Maybe it has a smidge more ketchup in it. Do equal parts in each one so that they're even, Steven. Oh yeah, color's much better now. Color is as good a guide as flavor sometimes when you're doing something like this, because you know your ratios are off if your color's off. Because we're using the same ingredients, there you go. Now they don't release any information on these ingredients here. Let's see so far. Ooh, wow. Yeah, it's close. It's missing that one ingredient though. It's missing that one ingredient, and it could be Worcestershire. It could very well just be Worcestershire sauce. Not a lot. Always add more. You can't take it out. Dang. That's really close. That is super close. All right, let me try my other secret weapon here. My other choice, it's got the sweetness, it's got, I'm not sure it's peppery enough, but the pepper, the thing is, as this sits, the pepper will kind of out into it a little bit more. So it's not gonna be as peppery at first. Okay, the next thing I'm thinking is Maggi sauce. You've seen me put Maggi sauce in so many things. It's got a great beefy flavor for being no beef whatsoever, but we're just gonna put in a smidge. It's super powerful. Okay, that's like 6 drops. I don't know what that is in milliliters, but it's small. You can see that is a very small amount just sitting on top right there. Again, I can add more, can't take it out. That might need more Worcestershire, that might be the problem if it's not Maggi. I love the smell of Maggi sauce. I'm just a sucker for it. You've never used it, oh man, come on. It has a really great beefy flavor. Holy crap. Hang on. That has more mustard. It has more mustard than this does. Okay, see, we can add mustard, but I think the Maggi sauce is the key here. Yeah, that has a lot more mustard. Tangier. Could it just be yellow mustard? It's possible. Just think it has more oomph to it. That's not the sauce on the burger. Wait a minute. Winner. Here it is. Here's the Krabby Sauce right there. That's it. You saw how to make that, did you? Maybe. Okay, so that's 2 tablespoons. Let's see if I put it up here. It's 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I've got about 2 teaspoons of mustard. I'm using a spicy brown, but it could very well just be yellow mustard. I've got about 2 teaspoons of ketchup. This is regular table ketchup. I don't know what that means. It's not fancy. There is a bunch of black pepper. You might even need to put more in there because the other one's just a little more peppery. So I'll put a little bit more in. Put a stupid amount of pepper in it. Just keep putting pepper in until you can't take it anymore. And then 6 drops of Maggi sauce. If you don't have Maggi sauce, let's see. Now that and this are equal other than Maggi versus Worcestershire. Is Worcestershire close enough? Do you need to buy a $20 bottle of Maggi? No, maybe not. Oh, that is not it. It's not it. It is not Worcestershire. It is 100% not Worcestershire. It will not get you there. Maggi gets you there. So that is how you do that. All right, cool. Now that this thing's stone cold, let's take a bite and see what it tastes like with the whole thing together. God help me. Going in. That is interesting. But yeah, it's basically just a Dave's single cheeseburger with Krabby sauce on it that you now know how to make. But yeah, the pepperiness of that sauce really changes the cheeseburger quite a bit. Really does. That doesn't taste like any burger you're going to get at Wendy's other than that, because that sauce, that is very peppery. Wow. But yeah, that is... Yeah, 100%. Very interesting. You could put maybe 8 drops of Maggi in there. I think that would work out pretty well. Get a little bit of our mango pineapple frosty. Take a fry, dip it in our... Is it worth the money? I don't know. You know how to make the sauce. You can make your own burger. Just put that on there because the rest of this, I mean, that lettuce, oh my God, that lettuce is terrifying looking. But yeah, that's fast food these days. It's not what it used to be, but that is basically, is it worth getting? I don't know. It might be. Is there anything that it kind of ties it to SpongeBob? I have no idea. What is a SpongeBob? I don't know. But I do know, I'd like to thank you for watching this video. It's a weird video. If you're used to watching food reviews and people eat stuff, this ain't one of those videos, was it? Not really. Took a couple bites of this thing. Is it good? Yeah, it's better than a regular Wendy's hamburger. Made the sauce right in front of your eyes. You saw how to do that. There you go. Now you know the secrets. Fries. Wendy's has the worst fries in the industry. They really do. They don't travel well at all. If you're eating them hot in the car, sure, maybe. But if these things, yeah, they don't have good fries. That Frosty, meh. If I gotta rank this, Frosty burger, stickers probably taste better than the fries. Is that why they put the stickers in there? Maybe. But anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching this. Like, share, subscribe, comment, because the algorithm lives on the comments. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye. We interrupt this video to bring you breaking news. Unknown YouTuber, whoever the hell this guy is, nearly died after doing a video on the Krabby Patty Kollab burger from Wendy's. Bill something or other claims his superpower is being able to detect horseradish in any dish. Sounds less of a superpower and more like a severe food allergy, but it is now confirmed that the secret ingredient in the Krabby Sauce is indeed horseradish. When asked for comment, Bill What's-His-Face had this to say.
If you want to see me try and kill myself some more, make sure you subscribe.
Amounts are unconfirmed at this time, but unnamed sources believe there is between 1/4 and 1/2 teaspoon of horseradish in the sauce. Use caution when adding the secret ingredient, as it is very potent, and you or those around you may also be allergic to horseradish. YouTuber Bill Who Cares is expected to make a full recovery in a few days and be back to making fun of himself before you know it, maybe even in this video. We'll bring you further updates as the story unfolds.